let me show you how to do your first task or how to do your task. So we are going to come back here, and please make sure you set it back on desktop mode so I can help you view everything better. So we are working on Leica layer 2. So I'm going to click Leica layer 2 as here. So we click that. And it will open. So these are the list of all the projects. These are the list of all the projects that I have done. Okay, the list of all the projects I have done. So I'm currently on Leica. So what you have to do, the first, let's do our first task. So we click on the first one. Anyone, they said I should follow Leica, the first one actually. So they said I should follow Leica on Twitter. So that's what I'm going to do. I click that. Okay, some of you are having problems in doing the task. The task is very simple. So if there are some tasks that you will not be able to do, like they will tell you to go and refer. If you don't have anybody to refer, don't kill yourself. But provided that you are in the top 100, my brother, at least there's something that will come into your account. Okay, so try as much as possible to do daily tasks, because every day they drop tasks in Zealy. So you have to be conscious and you have to be very, very serious and focused on Zealy. If you shift your eyes a bit from Zealy, you're meant to pass you. So that is one thing about Zealy. Zealy is a contest. Okay, you don't have to stand and sleep. And at the last day, I have to warn you guys, very important, make sure the last day you are active as you have to be there to do every task that they drop in a second. Every task they drop in a second, you have to make sure you have done the task. Make sure you done all the tasks before they close it for the day, so you can end your point, because that is the time people do really overshadow people doing that. You can see yourself at it is something, but on that day they'll send you down to 100 and something, or 200 rather. So today let's do a task. So what you have to do now is you have to click that, then follow them on Twitter, or equally take this link. It will take you there. All right, so let's follow Leica layer 2. It's taking me directly to that. So telling me follow that. So you have to click follow. Okay, and that is that. Then you return back to Zealy. So, and then claim your points down here. What's wrong with this here? Claim your points down here. Okay, so let me claim mine. Yeah, then you have to follow this. So what you have to do, you have to go back to the link so that they'll know that you have followed this. Go back to the link. Now it's better. Before they tell us to give a screenshot of what you have done, so I have followed that. So sometimes you can also add give them, click it on the notification in case you want to have anything to follow about the project, because the project is like this project is a really very big project. So okay, so you follow. I follow some of this. Sometimes this project may have problems, so we can move to the next one. Maybe we can come back and do this one. Let's show love on our first tweet. Like the second one, we are going to do that. Okay, this is a tweet. So what you have to do now is to do what? Let's say that. Okay, they are not stopped though. So they said link to your reply your reply. So what this means is that when you reply that tweet, okay, you have to go copy the link of that reply, insert it here, okay, then to show that so that they can go and check if that you have done that task. So that's how that's how it's going to be done. So let's get to it. So we click on it, it should take us there. We are thrilled to make the first official post of the Leica journey. Let us dive deeper into the vision for Leica, an essential step in blah 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 blah. So what I'm going to say here, I'm going to tell them Leica to the moon. You can equally add some emojis. So, okay, then you reply. So now what you have to do now is look for that your comment, since that it is being posted. Then you click here. For those of you that just get new in Twitter, you click here, share, okay, then copy the link. Okay, so I click that and the link is copied, and I'll go back to my Zealy. Now click on this rectangle dialog there, get for me to put my URL Twitter link. So that Twitter link I copied, I'll paste it here. I paste it. Okay, so now you now click on what? Emeka, are you listening? Before you say I did not show you all these things. Okay, so you claim. So wait for it for some time to load, then we move. Wait, they're telling me my username I use does not match. Okay, then I have to go and change my Twitter handle, because they're not the one that linked with this account. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let me go to my Twitter. I'm showing you guys this thing. I don't want to hide anything from you before you say. So I'm going to click it this and turn to my Twitter handle that I linked it to. Okay, this is my main Twitter handle. So I'm going to do the task again. I click the task. But maybe that's why the first one didn't show that we have followed them. So we are going to do the same task here. So let's repeat that again. This time I'm going to say LGF, then to the moon. Okay, so click that. Then I'm going to search for the comments. Now click share, copy the link, then now go back to our Zealy account, then enter the box, play the first link, okay, then paste the new link. So after that, we now click on claim. Okay, my power is down. So that one task is complete. You can see that one is task complete. So what you have to do, you want to do next is now just continue your task and continue doing your task. So you now click the next task. There are some that they ask you to provide a picture. They said I should visit this link. So you have to do what? Just click the link, visit the link. It's just some simple tasks you have to do. Okay, I'm going to check for the one they ask for a picture, so I'll also show you that. Discover, blah blah blah, visit the link, then we now go back. There's nothing much here. Then claim. Sometimes you don't even take time more than this, depending on your phone capacity. Okay, your phone can be, some phone can be hanging, so I would prefer you don't find better phone that is fast enough with a good RAM. Okay, while waiting for that, let us go back to, so that this the task is already is finally completed and has been reviewed. So the next thing we have to do now, I want to go and show you guys the one that the unique picture. So I don't want somebody can complain, make us go and complain that you have not ever seen that one before, I've not shown them. So we are going to search for that one. I'm going to show you that one, how to perform that one task, since some are people are really complain that some tasks are really difficult. Okay, go back to general sprint. Okay, that is general. You click general. Okay, so I'm going to search for the one that need picture. Okay, I think I've not seen anyone for now, but the tasks I'm seeing this project are quite heavy for newbies. So what I advise is that you do the ones you can and try and stay focused to do daily tasks. Importantly, daily tasks like the one you see here. Do daily tasks. So Emeka, I've tried my best to explain. So till next time, continue to make money. If you really want to make money in Web3, I think there might be a need for you to subscribe to this channel and join my WhatsApp community so you can get latest update on how to make money in Web3. And if you have any question or you have any comment, put it down in the comment box. I'll get to it. Until next time, stay in check through my gossip.